Before the end of this video, I want to show you how you can make at least 2k every single day with just your phone from this platform. Now make sure you watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you the proof of how much I've made from this platform and how I was able to make it and the withdrawal I get into my own bank account. Now make sure you watch this video to the end. Now if you have a smartphone and internet connection, then you should be making money from online. Now if you are not making money online, this means that you are not getting the right information. Now from this platform, this is a platform I have tested and I've seen that making money from it is possible. Now for me, I've made and withdraw money from this platform into my Nigerian bank account. This is the platform which I'm going to tell you guys how you can register on these platforms, and I'm also going to show you how you can perform this simple task. I'm also going to show you how you can also place your withdrawal on these platforms so that you can also receive it in your own bank account. Now this is what you do. If today is your first time on this channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment if you have any, or you know other platforms, you know the ones better than this, or if the first time of you trying something like this, just let me know in the comment section. Now without wasting much time, so on these platforms, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. Just kindly go use the link, then get started so that you can access this platform immediately. So now this is on this platform. When you arrive, when you are going to have this interface. You can see here, work online and daily in dollar and naira. So you're going to have this interface. So what you have to do, then just click on get started. So let's just wait for this to load. All right, so you are going to have this interface when you click on get started. So on this site now, all you have to do is for you to register an account with them, which is not very hard. So all is required from you to register an account from these platforms. You only have to use your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, then you input your country, and then you enter a password which you remember, and you confirm the password. Then you just come over to here, you click on how did you hear about this platform. So then you can just check here, you click here, then you click on any how you hear about this platform. Let me just so that you guys can see. So if I click here, you can just click on YouTube, then you come over to here, then you agree to their own terms and condition. Then after that, you click on I agree with terms and condition. After that, you click on register. So after we have registered successfully, I think after we have registered successfully, you are going to have this interface. So you are going to have this interface when you have registered successfully. Now you can see on this platform, so you can see I've already placed my withdrawal from these platforms. So you can see it here. You can see it here, and you can also see when I receive the money into my bank account. You can also see it here. Now one thing you have to do after you have created account here, you have to verify yourself to prove that you are not you are not a robot or something like that. So all you have to do, because I'm in Nigeria, you can see your Naira account has been verified. Now what is required from you to verify your account? This is very important. Now come over to here. You can see I'm going to show you what is required from you to verify your account. Now come over to here, make sure you pay close attention with it. So you can see it here. verification fee is 1050 naira. So this is it. Verification fee is 1050 naira. So you can see naira wallet and $5 in dollar wallet. To fund your wallet, verify account, pay directly to your virtual account number. Now I'm going to show you how you can get this virtual number. Now this is what you do. You click on here. I've clicked on it. Let it open. Now you can see get verified. If you get verified today, you get all the following at no extra cost: lifetime access to jobs, earn referral bonus, unlimited withdrawals, so bank transfer. So you can get it here now. So you can also earn, apart from the you can also earn each friend you refer. We have special referral bonus in 3 levels. You can see all this here is all that when you get verified. Now you can see that I've already done my verification. Now so you can see verification completed, which I'm also going to show you guys how you want to do yours. Now you can see here, come over to here, then you click on here, click here, so allow it to load. Now this is where you found your wallet and you verified yourself. Now you can see that for this, now my balance is just 64 naira because I've already made withdrawal from these platforms. Now you can just follow these steps here to fund your wallet immediately. Now you can see that when you come over to this platform and you follow the same process which I've shown you here, they are going to create an account for you. And you can see here, you can see the name, the account I have here. This is my own account, which is as I was able to create an account and I verify I done everything successfully. They were able to give me an account which I can always use to transfer money to this wallet here. Now the reason for this you transfer money to this account, to this wallet here, is that you can use this platform for another thing. It's not only that you do a job here to get paid, you can also use this platform to post jobs for other people to do. Now I'll be doing another video on how you can also use this platform to post jobs about your business and other stuff you do. Now that will be in another video because I don't want this video to be too long. Now so if you post a job on this platform, you are also going to pay other people. Now this is why you need wallet. Now but if you are also here to be doing job alone, that is fine. Now you also have to need to verify yourself with just 1050 naira, as I said earlier. Now all you have to do, copy the account number out, then copy the name of the bank and the name of the account here, then you go back to your normal bank or any bank that you are using. I prefer if you are using all this online banking, that will be very much better. Then you just send 1050 naira into this account. Now this wallet is going to be credited within some minutes. I don't know, let's just say within, let's say 30 minutes. Yes, it's going to be credited. Now it's not that it's going to be credited. Now when it is credited, if I should go back here, let me see, you are going to see some different. So you are going to have this message here: your Naira account has been verified. Now that your account has been verified, I'm also going to show you how you can use this account now to perform some tasks, and the task that is here that you can be doing. Now let's come down here. So then scroll down. So there are many tasks that we can be doing on this platform. As you can see, there are all of it. Like this one here, if I perform this task, I'm going to earn 120. This is simply joining the Bloom airdrop in case you have not started. So in case you have already been doing this, there are other ones that you can be doing. So you can just Facebook like, vote and campaign. You can even see just 15 naira. That is something. And if you can be doing this, if you have the time to be doing this, so if you have the time to be doing this and you can be making money from it, so let me just check for one that we can just use. So this is simple. You can just like and comment on YouTube video. You can see it here. So you can see join the post airdrop. You can also see it here. So now something simple that we can do that will not take much time. So these are all the jobs on these platforms that we can be doing to make money from these platforms. Now I'm just going to look for one which is very simple, which we can do, and each of any one of them you can just follow the simple process and you can, it's still the same thing. So let me check for you. This is Instagram followers. So all you have to do, I just have to follow this page and I'll get paid for it. I'll get 15 naira for it. Now let me just click for it. I think I still have Instagram there. So let me just click. I'll be paid 15 naira, and this is something, no matter how it is small, if you can do it for days, if you can do it for weeks, it's something. So there are other jobs that is more way bigger than this. There are other jobs that you get paid like 200 to 120 naira. So I'm just going to come over to here, click on. So all I have to do, I'll just click on follow. You can see I'll follow these pages now. So I'll follow this page now. So let me check for the description sheet. So comment first, follow permanently, and do not leave ever. You can see. So all I have to do, let me check for the instruction, send screenshot and username. So this is what I'll do. I'll follow the page, which I'll go back. So I'll just screenshot this. So I'm going to screenshot this. I've screenshot it, as you can see. Now I'm just going to go back to the page. So I'll just type my my username. As you can see, I'll just type my username, Richson. So you can see, I think Richson 2023. Yeah, so I'll just click on choose a file. So I'll use the media picker. So I will choose the screenshot, which I think this is it. Then I'll come over to here. I'll choose I agree that I will wait for maximum of 24 hours for this task to be approved by the advertiser. Now I'll click on agree. Now I'll click on submit. So as you can see now, it says, oops, you have completed this campaign. Now all I have to do, I'll go back. Now if you're kind of person that you have time and you have time, and you are not the kind of person that is like, you are anytime you are less busy, you can just be working on this platform to get paid. Now there are other jobs here you can be doing on these platforms for you to get paid. As you can see, there are all these. You can see that you have the one of 30 naira, you have the one of 120, you have the one of 120 here. You can just be doing all this. So you can just be doing this. Now let me show you my proof of how much I've been withdrawn from this platforms. So let me go to transaction list, so you can see that I'm not joking. So that you can see that I'm not joking. So you can see, this, you can see how much I've withdrawn from these platforms. You can see this is something that I've been doing for some weeks now. So you can see here, you can see 1000 successful. You can see 1000 successful. You can see 500 successful. You can also see 200 successful. You can see all this. So if I should go back to the next page, you can see all this. If I should come over to the next page, so you can also see all these are successful tasks I've done on this platform. So now I hope you have gained value from this video. Now if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe because I drop info and updates like this. Like the video, comment, and let me know what you think about these platforms. Now just go kindly use the simple steps which I've shown you in this video. Verify yourself and start using this platform to make money for yourself. Now bye for now. See you in my other video where I'll be showing you how you can also use this platform to post tags for other people to do, so you can also increase your sales, and you can also use this English to talk about your business. Bye for now. See you in my next video.